Hey guys, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. Today I'm going to share the recipe of how to make Mirch Achaar at your home. So for this recipe, what you need, here I have some green chilies, that is Hari Mirch, and here I took 1 to 2 tablespoon of fenugreek seed, 1 to 2 tablespoon of cumin seed, 1 to 2 tablespoon of mustard seeds, 1 to 2 tablespoon of fennel seeds, that is somph, and 2 tablespoon of turmeric powder, and here little bit of amchur powder, and here I am going to use the mustard oil and some vinegar and salt up to your taste. So what I'm going to do guys, I'm going to I removed the stem from the green chili, and I'm going to cut this one into half like this. So in the meanwhile, here I took the non-stick pan, and I'm going to add all these ingredients, that is cumin seeds, methi seeds, some mustard seeds, some fennel seeds, and I'm going to dry roast these ingredients. The another option is that you can keep it in the sunlight, and if you are keeping in the sunlight, no need to roast these ingredients. But today I'm going to use the non-stick pan for the roasting. So we have to fry until 2 minutes. Hey guys, after 2 minutes I switched off the flame, and it gives the nice aroma. And what we have to do, we have to wait until it becomes cool down. Then we have to grind it in the blender as a smooth powder. And here I took 100 grams of chilies, the green chilies, and I chopped into 2 pieces. And some of the chilies I put it like that. And so yeah. Hey guys, just now I grind this dry masala powder, and I'm going to add this one in the chili. So the first thing what we have to do, we have to take the glass jar, and I'm going to add these green chilies into that. This is very easy recipe and very tasty with rice, roti, dal, sabji guys. Yeah. So I added all the green chilies, and into this I'm going to add that dry masalas. This masala powder is very nice aroma, and I'm going to add this one into this green pickle. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to add this turmeric powder. It gives the nice color, bright color, and a little bit of amchur powder. If you want to skip that one, you can skip. And in that I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of vinegar. So in this I added 2 to 3 tablespoons of vinegar, and salt up to your taste, how much salt you want in your chili pickle. But we have to add more salt because this pickle we can keep it for 4 to 5 months. So adding salt is very good for the pickle. So I added some salt, and in this I'm going to add some mustard oil. If you don't like the mustard oil, you can use any ordinary oil like canola oil or vegetable oil. So I'm adding the mustard oil. And we have to mix these things together. So before mixing with the spoon, I'm going to keep the spoon in the gas guys. And now I am going to mix this one very well. So my mirchi ka achar is ready, guys, and you can use this achar today itself, but I'm going to keep it in the sunlight. This recipe gives the taste after 2 days, so I'm going to keep it in the sunlight. So this is a quick video of how to make mirchi ka achar at your home. See you soon in my another cooking video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel. And thanks for watching. Bye. And I'm going to keep this achar in the sunlight now.